All right, so we're in Adobe Illustrator and I'm going to show you how to merge text with shapes. So I just typed that out, logo, and I already made this ellipse. So you have the text here and you're going to want to use the Pathfinder if you wanted to do like the thumbnail showed. So I'm cutting out this logo from the ellipse. But see, it's still text. So the Pathfinder, the divide function on that is what you'd want to use. In case you don't know where that is, it's here, window, and then Pathfinder. And then, but if you hit divide there, I mean, sorry, you're supposed to have both of them done. It won't work. It didn't. This is still text. See that? So, um, what you need to do is create outlines on that font by going type and then create outlines. Now you have, it's not a font anymore. Now you select all of them, then you hit divide. Now it just sliced it. Um, it's still grouped, so you can go to object and then ungroup. And now you can click and we hit delete and delete. See that? And it even left the if you're trying to do like a like an inverted logo trick, you can select that. I used the direct selection just to have it, but you don't have to do that. Yeah, you see that? You can do neat stuff like that. Boom. And yeah, so I dropped that, but that's how you use it. Pretty straightforward, but yeah, it's a really nifty tool. The Pathfinder itself, just once now that you know about the font thing and creating outlines, go nuts with the Pathfinder. Just it divides and conquers in every way. So hopefully that helped. Let me know in the comments below.